Hi friends, today I am going to tell about the ionospheric communication. Okay, first what is ionospheric communication? Ionospheric communication is a method of long range radio communication where radio waves are sent towards the ionosphere. Ionosphere is a charged layer in Earth's atmosphere. These waves are reflected back to the Earth and enabling them to travel vast distance, means long distance beyond the Earth's curvature through a process called skywave propagation. And the ionosphere is a region in the upper atmosphere starting about 50 kilometers above the Earth and extending up to 1000 kilometers. Solar radiations, ions particles here are present and creating electrical charged ions and free electrons. This charged nature of the ionosphere allows it to reflect certain radio waves, enabling long distance communication. Next, radio waves transmitted from antenna travels upwards to the ionosphere. The interaction between the waves and the ionized particles causes them to reflect back towards the Earth. This reflection depends on the frequency of the signal and the ionization level of the ionosphere. Here we can see that there are different types of signals with different frequencies, and these signals will reflect at a different layers. For suppose the which frequency are less, it will reflect on the D layer or E layer, and which are higher frequency, which will reflect at the F1 or F2, and which are higher than frequencies which cannot be reflected and which can pass from the ionosphere layer. Here different layer of the ionosphere D, E, F play specific roles. For example, D layer often observe low frequency, while E and F layers reflect high frequency waves, especially at night when ionization is stronger. Applications of the ionospheric communication. Here first one, ham radio, because it enthusiasts use ionospheric waves to communicate globally. Next, maritime communication. It keeps ship connected, especially in remote seas. Next, aviation. It ensures pilots stay in contact with ground stations during long flights. Next, emergency services. It provides reliable communication during disasters when traditional systems fail. Beyond this, ionospheric communication supports military operation for secure communication and aid research into space, weather and navigation systems like GPS. And challenges of the ionospheric communication. While invaluable, ionospheric communication faces challenges. Space weather like solar flares or geomagnetic storms can disrupt the ionosphere. These disturbance weakness or scatter radio waves affecting communication reliability. Why the ionosphere is special? Because the ionosphere acts as a natural reflector, enabling communication without satellites, a cost-effective and sustainable solution. Its ability to adapt to varying conditions make it crucial for global connectivity, especially in remote or inaccessible areas. And from ham radius to disaster response, the ionosphere plays an invisible yet critical role in keeping us connected. In unique properties make it a powerful tool for communication and research. Thank you friends for watching this video.